how to use this video. To use this video, I recommend that all the examples given in the chapters are followed to the letter. You follow the instruction, the way, the pattern in which those examples were laid out. This video is made so easy so as to enable you to have a perfect understanding on how to use this application. At the same time, I am going to give you my email address so that if you have any questions or you have comments in which we could actually be of help to you, you can actually send me an email to this following email address, or you can as well call me on this following number. I wish to hear from you soon, and I hope this video will help you to understand everything you need to understand about this application. This video is built with the knowledge or basis that every user actually understand how to launch the application. But for the benefit of those who do not know how to launch the application and have the application on their system, to open Microsoft Word, for example, there are several ways you can actually open this application. This is your shortcut on the desktop. You might not see this shortcut on your own desktop. If this shortcut is not available on your desktop, I'm going to show you another way to open it using your startup menu. But if you have this shortcut on your desktop, click on it. Once you click on it, you have this shows that this is already selected. You can hit your enter key, which is called smart clicking. This is called smart clicking. That will open the application for you. Or you can right click on it, then click on open. Or you can double click on it. That will still open the application for you. Or you can go to your startup menu. By the left hand side, you see your Windows button. You click on the start, then you can see it on the list here, Microsoft Office. This is your startup menu. You can click on it here, it will still open it. Or you go to your startup menu, go to all programs, then locate Microsoft Office. Then you can actually open any of the Microsoft Office, whether it is Excel you want to open, or PowerPoint you want to open, or Microsoft Office you want to open. Now I'd like to tell you that there is a slight difference between the interface of 2003 version and 2007 version. Now if I open 2007 version of Excel, for example, what you discover is that it looks a little bit different from that of 2003 version. This is 2003 version. This is the environment. Let me open a new sheet. This is the environment for 2003 version, and this is the environment for 2007 version. But basically, if you can use 2003 version very well, you understand that it's still going to be the same thing. This is your auto summation. This is your auto sum. Then this is where you put this is your formatting bar, where you put your fonts, your font size, your bold, your italics, your merge. This is where you merge your cell, merge and center, and so on like that. Then this way you insert menu, you can insert picture, you can insert chart. This way you insert chart, the kind of chart you want to insert, you can insert from here. Column chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, and so on like that. You can insert your word art as well. Your page layout, you can change your paper orientation from here. You can change to landscape or to portrait. You can choose your formula from here. You can do your data sorting from here as well. You have your auto filter as well in this same session, and you can actually use your thesaurus as well. At the same time, you can change your view, your layout view. You can change it from here. You can remove your grid lines. You can add your grid lines to your page. It depends on what you want to do. Now that is the interface of 2007 Excel version. Now to save your work in 2007 version, I recommend that you save it as 2003 to be able to view it on older version, which is from 2003 to 1997. For example, if you save your Excel just as a workbook, what happens is that it will save it as 2007 version, which will not be viewable on system that only have 2003 version. So I recommend you save as 2003. 2003 version can be opened with 2007 version. But if you are so sure that on the system in which you want to open the file is having the same version with the one you're using on your system, then there's no need for you to save it as 2003 version. But if you're going to open it elsewhere of which you're not sure of the version they're using there, I recommend you save it as 2003 version. I hope this video has been informative, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.